All right, so in less than 60 seconds, a few things to update you on. Number one, Market Minute tomorrow. We got Tom Bass coming out to talk, as well as an appraiser talking about values in today's market. So if you want the link, feel free to click it in the email below. Also, I did have a challenge, and it's kind of wild and crazy because, you know, we love and hate social media at the same time. So working to rebuild, to re-get the information out there. So if you search Ryan J Orr on Facebook, yes, that's me. It's the new account. The old one was disabled for God only knows what reason, and definitely can't get the issues. But it also is a great reminder that when you're leveraging social media, maybe expand your presence across multiple platforms so one isn't your main. Do it now so that should something happen, that you will be insulated from this, because it's a pain to rebuild. All right, if you want the Zoom link for tomorrow's deal, check it out. It'll also be broadcast on our Facebook. We'll see you soon. You need anything, give us a holler, call, text, or email. We'll see you soon.